Okay, let us start with the artificial intelligence course from today onwards. This course is meant for students of various universities such as JNTU Anantapur, JNTU Kakinada, JNTU Hyderabad, as well as other engineering college students. So let us start with the introduction. So first of all, what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence means intelligence provided artificially. If we consider human beings, so human beings are by birth having intelligence. However, if we consider machines, machines don't have intelligence. So what are the instructions we are going to give? They are going to follow the instructions given by the human being. And if at all we give wrong instructions, then they are going to give wrong results. For example, if you write a C program and if the code you have written for solving the problem is wrong, then definitely we are not going to get the correct output. So whereas artificial intelligence means we are going to provide intelligence for the machines so that they will also have intelligence and they can communicate with us. So that is the basic necessity of the artificial intelligence. So nowadays artificial intelligence is expanding in various fields. We have seen the recent invention chat gpt, so which is very useful for writing the program code as well as getting the content, any type of content. So however, the work on artificial intelligence have been started very long back after the second world war, and the name artificial intelligence has been introduced in the year 1956. For students as well as researchers, uh, nowadays artificial intelligence is very useful because they can invent new things using AI compared to the conventional subjects such as mathematics, physics, which have been already evolved completely. There is little scope of new things to be invented in those subjects, whereas in case of artificial intelligence, there is much scope for inventing the new things. So coming to the various subfields that are using the artificial intelligence, we can see that playing chess. So we can play chess game with a computer, which is artificial intelligence enabled, and we have seen cases where the computer has defeated human beings in chess game. Similarly, by implementing artificial intelligence, uh, we can prove the complicated mathematical theorems very easily. And recently, we have seen that even artificial intelligence can write poetry also. Even though in this field it needs further improvement, however, as of now, it tries to write the poetry also. Similarly, we have seen driverless cars, which are completely controlled by the artificial intelligence, even in a crowded street. So they have successfully run. In this field also, there is much improvement needed. And similarly, using the artificial intelligence techniques, we can diagnose the diseases and we can take preventive measures. So these are all the fields in which the artificial intelligence is have been implemented, is being implemented, and will be implemented. There are even more fields where we can use artificial intelligence. So here you can see playing chess, solving mathematical problems, writing stories and poems, and driverless cars, as well as diagnosing various diseases. So, however, there will be a lot of confusion between various fields of the artificial intelligence and whether it is completely artificial intelligence or some other thing. We can see in this diagram that each and every other developing concepts such as machine learning, data science, deep learning, all of them are going to use the artificial intelligence. However, they are not same as artificial intelligence. So they are going to use some concepts of the artificial intelligence. That is why we can see that artificial intelligence is having the huge scope where it is used to make the machines to work and react like humans, whereas the other fields of the subfields of the artificial intelligence such as machine learning, data science, deep learning are going to use the principles of the operating systems, and they have their own significance. If we consider one by one, if we consider the machine learning, so machine learning basically makes the machine to learn the things, and it is a subset of the artificial intelligence. By giving data to the machine, after some time it is going to learn something from the data given. So that field is machine learning. Coming to the data science, so data science is not exactly the subset of the machine learning. However, it actually manages both structured as well as the unstructured data, and it uses both machine learning as well as the deep learning concepts. So coming to the deep learning, it is a subset of the machine learning in which it is going to use the artificial neural networks, which is some advanced concept in the artificial intelligence. So all of them are in parallel, keep on developing as of now. Machine learning, data science, deep learning, in par with the artificial intelligence. However, they are using some basic part of the artificial intelligence to have expertise in their fields. Coming to the motivation, I need to learn artificial intelligence. We can see some of the movies which have been released. So the first movie you will be considering is I Robot, which has been released in 2004. So in this movie, we can see there'll be huge number of robots which are generated to help the human beings. So, however, a particular robot is going to kill one of the developer of the robot, and the case will be handled by the hero. So here the hero is Smith, and in this movie we'll see how robots are actually implemented by having a set in Chicago in 2035. So now it is 2024. So assuming 2035, a movie has been built. And the second movie we'll be observing is Robo 2.0. So it has been released in 2018. We know much about Robo 2.0. And coming to the real robots, so the most popular humanoid robo as of now is Sophia. It is a social humanoid robo, and it was activated on February 14th, 2016. from there onwards, so it is actually moving around the world, gaining more popularity. The second most popular real robot is Ameca. So Ameca is primarily designed as a platform for further developing robotic technologies involving human robot interaction. So it is also like Sophia. So it will be interacting with the humans, and it has all features such as motorized arms, fingers, neck, and facial features. And the most powerful and recent robo is Optimus, which is being developed by the Tesla. So recently we have seen a video which is going to fold one T-shirt. The robo is going to fold one T-shirt. So that is nothing but this Optimus robo, which is developed by Tesla. So these are the introductory concepts regarding the artificial intelligence. We'll be continuing in the next session.